Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Anita Mohan and I'm the founder of Atspay Magic Academy. Today I'm here to discuss about the Wicca practitioner course that we have uh, brought out. So we have two courses. One is the Wicca diploma course and the other one is the Wicca practitioner course. So just for you to be aware of this, because lots of people are asking me, those who are doing the Wicca diploma course, they are asking me, should I join the practitioner course? Is it different? No, you don't have to join the practitioner course because Wicca diploma is the main course. It has everything about Wicca. It is from A to Z of Wicca diploma courses. Of course, you never stop learning. There will come something new will come, then you have to learn again, and the learning process keeps on going. It never ends. That way, that is a different matter. But in our Wicca diploma course, we have it's a huge course. It is on our online portal as well as on WhatsApp. Actually, we have online classrooms on our website. We have two on platforms where we sell the courses on our website online, and uh, it was designed for that. But then we decided to give it on WhatsApp also because a lot of people showed interest to join. So only difference is on WhatsApp you will not get any videos. You have to go to the online portal to watch the video. So what we did was those who joined for the Wicca diploma course, those who are still joining for the Wicca diploma course, they get all the material in WhatsApp, downloadable material in WhatsApp. We have discussions, and also they have access to the website, to our online classroom. So once you join the Wicca diploma course, you will automatically get access. You just have to give your email address and we will give you access to the online classroom. So you can go to the online classroom and watch the videos are not downloadable, sorry. Only the files are downloadable. You can read the notes there, you can download the files. Every lesson has a file, so you can download the file. You will have a huge quantity of files of downloadable resources once you complete the course. And there is a self initiation also in that, guided self initiation. So we will guide you how to do your self initiation. There is an option in the online classroom for a initiation by a British group, which is very expensive, and so a lot of people have not opted for it. It is by choice. If you want, you can do it. It costs some 15,000 rupees for initiation of one person. They will come directly on Zoom and they will do the initiation ceremony that way. But it is I don't think it is necessary. You don't have to do that. Self initiation is fine, and it works also. It's been working for so many years for many people. So that is the diploma course, Wicca diploma course. When we started the Wicca diploma course in the beginning, we had given an offer of 2,500 rupees for a single admission. But that offer did not last long, and we had to definitely, because of our expenses, we had to go back to our original price, which is rupees 5,000 for a single admission. So now we know that a lot of people cannot afford that, and a lot of people want to study this, and because the high prices they cannot afford. So we brought out a new course which is called the Wicca practitioner course, which is a smaller version of the Wicca diploma course. Now you have to understand here, a lot of people who are doing the Wicca diploma course, not a lot of people, some people who are doing the Wicca diploma course ask me, what is the practitioner course? Should I join that also? I said no, because it's very clearly explained in a previous video of mine that those who are doing the Wicca diploma course, you are getting the full course. You don't have to do anything else now, at least at the moment. So the Wicca practitioner course is different. It's a smaller version of the Wicca diploma course. So whatever you are doing in in the practitioner course is in a bigger form in the Vicar diploma course. That is the difference. So we brought this out just for the people who cannot afford to pay the high fees of the Vicar diploma course. So we made this a certificate course, but it is smaller in version. Means the lessons are smaller and the contents are smaller. You will get everything, not everything. You will get at least half of it. You will get, but in a smaller way. You will learn exactly what you need to. Means you will get a full idea of what Wicca is. You will learn about their traditions, you will learn about their culture, you will learn about the religion as it is, you will learn about their festivals, celebrations, rituals, what is it, spells. Now spells we are giving separately with both the courses. In the Vicar diploma course we are giving them we are giving the Vicar diploma students a full book of 5,000 spells. That is we will give in the end, because we don't want the spells to come in between the courses. Only some very important spells come in the courses, otherwise they get a full book of 5,000 spells. And the Vicar practitioner course we are giving a book of 100 spells. That is for the Vicar practitioner, so they can practice try and practice. Now if some people ask me, spells means what? Candle spells, herbal spells, what? Spells means everything, everything you can do as a spellcaster comes in the spells. It's not just candle spells, it's not just crystal spells, it's not just herbal witchery, it's all together, everything together. Spells means everything together, it's a common word. And that is what we are giving. 100 we are giving in the practitioner course. That is apart from the course. So once you do the course, you will understand exactly how to do the spells, how to cast spells, all that you will understand, and you can practice with the 100 spells. So that is what we are giving in the practitioner course. One more thing we are giving in the practitioner course, this is to encourage people to join. We are giving one extra course free. That course I was charging 1,000 for that course alone. That is the Vedic Tarot course. Now Vedic, you understand, is Indian. It's an Indian concept. Vedic Tarot course is a tarot course based on the Hindu gods. Like we have Shiva, we have Parvati, we have Ganesha, we have Vishnu, we have Krishna, we have Lakshmi, we have Saraswati, we have Bajrangbali, we have Ardhanarishwara. All the gods are there. So almost all the gods are there as cards. So you can predict using those cards. Now the cards are not there. You get digital prints. Digital prints in the sense you can print out the images. You can take them to a printer and print out the images. And there is a method how to make cards that I will explain in the course. How you can make the cards in your home in your free time, that I will explain in the course. So this is what you get in the practitioner course. Plus you will get a certificate also. You will get all the downloadable materials, like you will get all the files which you can download and you can learn, and you will get in between you will get small explanatory videos, small explanatory audios, all that you will get. So this is what it is about. If anybody is joining, please contact me, or I have a teacher, Mr. Vidyut Jatia, that is Vidyut ji. You can join him, you can contact him also and make the payment to him. It is the same thing, and he will add you to the group. I will be conducting the classes, and there will be my audios and videos also in the classes. The Vedic Tarot course will not be as a conducted course, it will be as a file. You will get the file, full file. But all our courses, many of you who have done courses with me know that personally, that I give lifetime support. Like once you do a course with me, once you are a student of mine, you are always a student, or you can always come back and ask me whatever you want, whatever you miss. Only thing I don't like is that I don't like anybody losing files. That is something I just cannot tolerate, because I feel that is very disrespectful. I don't know why I believe like that. I believe it is disrespectful, because it is, our courses are very cheap. I know that. If you pay 5,000 rupees for a course, will you lose a file? No. Why? Because that is the money you have paid. You are afraid you will lose the money. But if you pay 250 rupees for a file, for a course, you will not bother. You say, oh, it's only 250, I can get it again. That is the mentality. So don't do that. That is disrespect towards the course you have learned. So what you need to do is, because we are sending everything through WhatsApp, what WhatsApp people need to do is, you can just forward the files to your email. So it will be in your email always. Nobody is going to take it away from there, because phones are not reliable. Phones are always formatting, and sometimes they just stop working. Those things happen. So phones are not reliable. So it is better that you forward them to your email. So then once you forward to your email, it will always be there and you'll never lose it. So that is how you save your files. So just you have to think about that when you do a course with me. I don't like people who lose files. I get very paranoid. So this is how it is going to be. So I welcome you all once again. Please do consider joining the Vika Practitioner course if you would like to go through a wonderful journey of magic and fantasy, and of course spirituality. Thank you again.